you just go back less than a year ago and look at what has happened to global currencies around the world in relation to the U.S. dollars. This has been 2.5 times the most volatile currency volatility we've seen in the last 25 years. Nobody predicted that. And so most companies like ours that have been successful have moved from what I call as a forecast and deploy and monitor approach, which we all grew up with, to a read and respond fast approach. And that's what allows us to adjust very quickly. What used to take us, a couple of years to adjust to, we do in a few months. And you have to be that way, or you'll get run over with the negative impacts of volatility. And so I think all of us are looking at real-time data and acting on it much faster, changing our business plans, in the middle of the year, the middle of the quarter, the middle of the month, because the world around us has changed, and the straight lines of trends going up or going down are a lot more jagged, if you will, in terms of the rapid change. As much as we've grown globally, the U.S. is and remains our largest market in the world. A lot of people talk about bringing jobs back to the U.S. and so on, and our view is we never left. We have 8 world-class factories in the United States. Over 80% of what we sell in the United States, we make in the United States. And people say, why do you do that? And I said, it's a great business decision. The best cost location for the products we sell in the U.S., 80-some% of the time is the U.S., and that's why we're here. We invest in our manufacturing facilities, we invest in our people, we invest in new products. We're always bringing the latest products to the marketplace. That's why we have a strong competitive advantage from this U.S. manufacturing base. We've invested over $1 billion in the last 5 years just in our U.S. operations. We also have a great logistics structure, meaning that we can get to probably any customer in all of North America 95% of the time in one day. It wasn't that long ago where if you invested in a new product in a given part of the world, what we call a product platform, that platform would be around for 10 or 15 years. Now the cycle of new product development is more like 2 years, 2 to 3 years. So again, we see this opportunity to take what we used to look at as local and regional markets and really leverage them more in global markets. So, one of our big challenges is always staying abreast of what's going on in every market around the world, figuring out how to use our global size and scale to bring us competitive advantage to the local markets we serve, and at the same time be very attuned to local market needs. Energy efficiency has been in our DNA for a long time, at many levels. As the studies came out, appliances at the time used a large percentage of the electricity or utilities in a home. And so we really were the first to, I think, recognize the opportunity to bring technology, bring our global best thinking to design products which perform extraordinarily well, but at radically reduced energy levels. Appliances have gone from a big part of household energy consumption to a very small part of that, while at the same time providing better utilities to the consumer. We've pioneered this in virtually every appliance that we make and manufacture, and it's a trend that we see everywhere in the world, and so we're applying it around the world. But it's not just our appliances, it's in our factories. Being more energy efficient, better water conservation usage, because a lot of big manufacturing facilities can consume a lot of water. And we've built a large number of new buildings in the last 10 years, and all with energy efficiency in mind, LEED certified and that sort of thing. So, it's just a mindset that sustainability, being good to the environment, doing things which make good economic sense to our customers, using technology as an enabler to come up with a better solution, in this case, less energy, less water, better performance. That's a great combination. Habitat for Humanity is something that's just hugely rewarding for us as a company, for our people, but most of all from the thousands of new homeowners across our country, but also the world, who have been able to gain access to affordable housing, many for the first time in their lives. Habitat has been around for a long time. We've been a corporate partner, I think, now for 16 years. We donate appliances to every Habitat home built around the world. Equally important is everywhere we have a Whirlpool facility, we generally have a lot of Whirlpool employee volunteers supporting that.